In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track software defects in Jira like an expert. If your team is still relying on scattered spreadsheets, chat threads, or handwritten notes to manage bugs, it becomes much harder to see what is actually happening in the development process. A centralized workflow in Jira helps your team stay organized, improves visibility, and makes release readiness easier to assess. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. After you've logged in and the main homepage loads, open your active software project so you can access the board your team uses for bug tracking. Once you're inside the project, take a moment to review what a bug issue looks like in Jira. Open an existing bug ticket to see its structure. You'll normally find the issue key near the top, which serves as the unique ID for that ticket along with the bug summary. On the side panel, you'll also see important details such as priority, environment information, and current status. Understanding this layout is important because it gives every defect a clear and consistent record. Next, return to your main board view. This is where you'll manage the progress of defects through your workflow. You'll usually see columns such as to do, in progress, code review, and done. When someone starts working on a bug, click and drag that card into the appropriate column, such as in progress. This keeps the board accurate and gives the team immediate visibility into what is actively being handled. When a fix has been completed and verified, move the bug card into the done or resolved column. In many Jira workflows, this action opens a transition screen. Here, select the correct resolution, such as fixed, duplicate, or cannot reproduce, and then confirm the transition. This step is especially important because it protects the accuracy of your reporting and ensures the ticket is closed properly. If you need to find specific bugs quickly, use Jira's advanced search. Open the global search area, choose View All Issues, and switch to JQL. Then enter your query to filter exactly what you need, such as open high priority bugs in a project. This is incredibly useful for QA leads, Scrum Masters, and release coordinators who need fast access to targeted issue lists. For a broader view, you can also build a dashboard. Open dashboards, create a new dashboard, and add gadgets like filter results or pie chart. Connect them to your saved bug filters so you can monitor unresolved issues, counts, and trends in real time. Before you wrap up, do one final review of your board and dashboard. Make sure statuses are accurate, issue details are clear, and your charts display the right data. With that, your bug tracking process in Jira is structured, visible, and ready to support a smoother software delivery workflow.